Why do we yawn? Yawning is a reflective behavior that we still don't fully understand, but we do know that it's important for our bodies and brains. When we yawn, it actually increases blood flow to the brain and cools it down. This helps to improve our alertness and cognitive function. Yawning is also contagious, and scientists believe it's linked to our ability to empathize with others. But sometimes we try to suppress our yawns, especially in social situations. Interestingly, trying to suppress a yawn can actually make you more likely to yawn. It's a bit like trying not to think about something. The more you try not to, the more it pops into your head. You've probably even yawned once during this video, so now you know.